That shade of pink is called Angel Wings by Madame Glam. And then I did another nail with white, and this is also by Madame Glam, and it's Perfect White. And then I top coated them with matte polish, and that's Madame Glam matte top coat. And in addition to that, I'm going to be using these colors right here. These are 6 colors, and the one in the middle is Madame Glam Very Chic. The white one here is Perfect White. The hot pink one is a combination of Madame Glam Purple Pink, Madame Glam OMG Pink, and then Finger Paints gel polish called Passion for Pink. So to get that color, I combined those 3. Turquoise blue, it looks washed out on the screen. It looks baby blue, but in person it's a beautiful turquoise blue. It's one of my old gel paints. I also used one of my old orange gel paints. And for the yellow, Beat the Heat, a yellow gel polish by Sensational. Okay, so that's everything that I used. I also have some sharp little tools like dotting tools. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get started and show you how to do this. Okay, so they're top coated with matte polish already. I'm gonna zoom in. Wow, that blue really looks washed out on camera. In person, it is so turquoise and pretty. I love it. Okay, so basically what I do is I dip my tool in and I just do that. Okay, so let me continue. Then you just continue doing that with the rest of the colors. All right. You don't want to use too much. And you just randomly do that. Okay, so that's about good for that nail. So then you just cure it. And I'm gonna move on, which is the white one. Okay, so the white one is gonna be the accent nail, and thinking of adding some stones to this one, and I'll tell you what I'm thinking in a minute. So you see how you do that? You just very haphazardly, randomly just put some color on them. You can even let's see, we got a little bit more orange. So that looks pretty good. So you get the idea. So here they are, guys, our Jawbreaker palette inspired nails. They're just a lot of fun. Bright pink, very pretty colors, very bright, very summery, and I just think they are the cutest thing. Please give me a thumbs up if you like them, subscribe. click on the notification bell so you can be notified next time I upload another video. And that's it for now. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. They're so cute. I love them. Bye, guys. Love you.